Lebanon said an Israeli airstrike caused major damage to a public hospital in the country's south on Friday. The attack came amid rising tensions along the Israel-Lebanon border. Officials said the strike hit near Tibnit Public Hospital in southern Lebanon. According to Lebanon's health ministry, several people were wounded in the strike. The injured included hospital staff members and medical workers. Authorities said that parts of the hospital building suffered heavy damage. Windows were shattered. Medical equipment was also affected. The hospital is located in the town of Tibnit near the border area. The region has seen frequent exchanges of fire between Israeli forces and Hezbollah fighters in the recent months. Residents said loud explosions were heard across the area after the strike. Lebanese officials strongly condemned the attack. They accused Israel of targeting civilian infrastructure and medical services. The health ministry said attacks on hospitals violate international law. Emergency teams were sent to assess the damage and help the wounded. Hospital workers described senses the panic after the strike. Patients and doctors rushed through the damaged corridor. Some sections of the hospital were evacuated as a safety measure. Medical staff continued treating injured people despite the destruction. Israel has not released detailed comments about the incident. However, the Israeli military has repeatedly said its operation in southern Lebanon target Hezbollah positions and military infrastructure. Israel accuses Hezbollah of launching rockets and drones from areas close to civilian locations. Cross-border violence between Israel and Hezbollah has increased sharply since the start of the Gaza war. Daily exchanges of fire have forced thousands of people on both sides of the border to flee their homes. Several towns in southern Lebanon have suffered heavy damage from airstrikes and shelling. International organizations have expressed concern about the growing humanitarian crisis in the region. Aid groups warned that repeated attacks on hospitals and emergency centers could severely affect healthcare services in southern Lebanon. Medical facilities are already struggling with shortages of supplies and staff. The United Nations has called for restraint from both sides. Diplomats feared the conflict could expand into a wider regional war. Efforts to secure a ceasefire have so far failed to stop the violence. Local residents in Tevnin said they are living in fear as strikes continue near civilian areas. Many families have already left the region. Others remain trapped due to lack of resources. The latest strike has added to tensions in the border region. Lebanese authorities said investigations into the attack are ongoing. The situation remains highly tense as fears of further escalation continue to grow. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.